It all seems very straightforward. Climate change is real, climate change is here, and we should do something about it. But this is also where it gets really complicated. It's a global problem, many actors have to be involved in solving it. How exactly climate change is going to unfold comes with a lot of uncertainties. In CLIX, we're not shying away from the complexity of the problem. We asked the question, which climate futures are plausible given this complexity? So how do we address the problem in its full complexity? On the one hand, we look into the potential evolution of climate. We use our world-class models to describe how the atmosphere might evolve, but also how the ocean circulation might evolve in the future. And on the other hand, we look into the dynamics of society. In CLIX, we've developed a unique framework that allows us to address the social plausibility of climate futures. We look individually and together at 10 drivers, such as the impact of climate movements, media, but also economics, and how they shape a certain climate future. So, what have we found out so far? You might ask the question, is it currently plausible to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees by 2050? And we found out that it's not only not plausible, but also that this is not because of the uncertainties in the future evolution of climate, such as tipping points. It is because the majority of the 10 social drivers do not point in a direction that make it plausible to limit global warming within 1.5 degrees by 2050. And yes, we can look into the contributions of these 10 social drivers individually, but no matter what, it's society which holds the key to achieve this goal. One of the things that we've specifically looked at is how the Arctic might change in the future. We can already, up until now, show in CLIX that heat waves in the ocean, in the Arctic, are only there because of climate change. Those warmings lasting several weeks and up until 2 degrees more than usual would not be there if humans hadn't changed climate. These are important findings not only with respect to the impact on the ecosystem, for example, in the Arctic, but also understanding much better how climate change is and might be unfolding in which region of the Earth. What does this leave us with? In CLIX, we answer the question which climate futures are plausible by providing a better understanding how climate might evolve in the future, but also through our framework which allows us to assess the social plausibility of certain climate futures. And by narrowing down the many climate futures that are possible to those which are plausible, we provide the many actors in society with opportunities to act. It is time that we collectively take responsibility.